Hi, this is Drew with the Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets finished up mixed last week. You had corn and beans trading lower while wheat finished the week higher. All currently lower so far this morning. One of the main news takeaways from the weekend is the fact that Ukraine, as we expected, or Crimea, excuse me, as we expected, did vote to have their independence or go back and join Russia. So that was one of the main news tickers that was moving the story this week. Although it wasn't really a surprise, that's exactly what everyone expected them to do. So we'll have to see how that plays out, but wasn't really a shocker to see that come across. As far as things this morning, we did get news that Mexico bought 107,400 metric tons of corn for 2013-14 delivery. Also released later this morning, we'll get NOPA's crush estimates at 11 a.m. Central. Expected to come in around 140.5 million bushels crushed for February. So that's what the average trade estimate is. We'll have to see how that comes out. Keep your eye on it, as that could move the market around 11 a.m. this morning. Brazil's harvest, as far as soybeans go, is around 59%. They advanced 5% from last week, and that's a little bit above the where they were this time last year. So moving forward to today, the wheat market, like we said last week, was the only one in the green, adding some premium, obviously, for the situation over in Ukraine and Crimea voting for their independence. Some are looking at as Russia's illegally annexing them back into Russia. We'll have to see how that pans out. But again, moving forward today, NOPA crush out, and we'll see how the actual day trading session goes as far as the grains, and we'll see if corn and wheat do add a little more premium, as there is some seeding concerns due to funding availability and fuel in Ukraine. So we'll have to see if that adds a little premium to the market. That's all we've got for today. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.